Today, I want to share with you some of my fun summer-themed Montessori-inspired activities for toddlers 2 to 5 years old. For this activity, we're going to use a book and some pictures that I printed off the internet. This is a literacy activity, and it's also a matching activity. The book is Spot Goes to the Beach. Dad and I are taking you to the beach, Spot. Spot wants to buy something. Can I have a sailor hat? Can you match a sailor hat? There you go. You really spoil him, Sam. Look at all the things he bought. Thanks, Dad. He has a sailboat. So on and on you would go, reading the book and matching the pictures. Toddlers love, love, love this lift the flap books. They would match the pictures, and as you continue to read all of the book. This is a great visual discrimination activity, and this is also great for building vocabulary. This next activity is a number recognition activity, one-to-one correspondence activity, and it is also a sensory activity. I'm using this free printable that I got from makinglearningfun.com. This is a picture of Spot. I'm going to use some pom-poms, and I'm going to use this die that I got at Dollar Tree. I went ahead and put some numbers here, and I only have number 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to have the toddler roll the die. We say, that's number 1. Can you get 1 pink pom-pom? Put it on Spot. Good job. Let's do it again. 2. 2 green. 1 and 2. All right, let's go one more time. Oh, 1. 1 pink. Can you give him another spot? Another pink spot. This is a great way for children to have fun and to practice their number recognition and one-to-one correspondence. This next activity is a matching activity. I'm going to use some flashcards, and these are Scholastic Alphabet flashcards. I went ahead and used that, but I also made a couple of them. I made the starfish and the seahorse and the crab, I think. Okay, and then I'm also using some little felt pieces and then a little card that I already had. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the flashcards. We're going to say ball, seahorse, crab, starfish, sun, umbrella, and kite. And then we're going to have our toddler match the objects. Say, can you find the seahorse? Can you match it? Can you match the kite? What about the umbrella? Crab, starfish, ball, sun. This is a great matching activity. It's good for building vocabulary and visual discrimination. This next activity, it's a scoop and transfer activity. You're going to need 2 containers and you're going to need a spoon or a little scoop. Today I'm using this pasta. There's some little seashells going with our theme of summer and going to the beach. But you can use buttons, beans, pom-poms, anything that you have at home. So what your toddler is going to do is get some of the seashells and put them on the other container. So they're going to scoop and transfer. This is a perfect way to work on fine motor skills, eye-hand coordination, and concentration. Depending on your child's age, sometimes toddlers will just transfer using their little hands, and that is perfectly okay. They're still using their little pincer grasp, so this is a great activity for them. Now I'm going to show you how my grandson at 2 years old transfers from one container to the next. Can you use your spoon? This next activity is a sensory activity. We're using a container, we're using some rice, and something to scoop up the rice. And this water toy, I got this at Target for $3. So what we're going to do is have our toddler scoop up the rice and then put it in here and see what happens as they put the rice here. They can use their little fingers to mix this around. See how the rice comes down? This is a great eye-hand coordination activity. Children love to play with rice and they love to see what this toy is doing. Another thing that you can do if you don't have one of these water toys is just use the rice. You can also use the sensory bin and put some seashells. I got some seashells that I had here at home. We live about an hour from the beach, so we have a lot of seashells. But if you don't have the beach close by, you can actually get a bag of shells at Dollar Tree for $1. So what your toddler is going to do, they're going to look in the sensory bin and find the seashells. And you can put them on the side. Oh, look how pretty this shell is. So they just get the seashells, see what they can find, and then just put them on the side. This is a great sensory activity, and they're also enhancing their vocabulary as they talk about the shells. They can talk about the color of the rice. Toddlers love, love, love playing with a sensory bin. When we're working with toddlers, their attention span is short. So have lots of fun activities. Like today we talked about Spot, so have other books available. They love the Lift the Flap books. These are also so much fun. I found these at Dollar Tree. It's got the little book. It has a lot of little activities. And it comes with these Wicky sticks. So today I picked this activity over here, and it's you use the sticks, the Wicky sticks, to match the shape to its shadow. So we would say, okay, here's a fish. That's the fish. That's the shadow right there. What about this starfish? Right there. What about this seashell? Can you match it to its shadow? Right there. I love these Wicky sticks. They're so awesome. And these little books are only $1 at Dollar Tree. They have all kinds of books. I also like these books. These are also from Dollar Tree. These are color by number, and you can use, I'm not a fan of the little markers, but you can use the regular size markers, or you can just use crayons. I hope you enjoyed this Montessori inspired activities, and I hope you'll be able to use some of them.